You need to pull really hard. Whoa.
We're gonna sleep all day.
Whoa, Maya.
We're gonna sleep all day.
Maya, do you think he's cold?
Yeah.
So what should we do?
I know.
Do you think I should put his clothes back on?
Oh no, I'll so this cover him up.
Oh, you think you should cover him up with a blanket if he's cold? That's nice.
Yeah, better. I was sitting.
Oh, bless you. Maya, say bless you to Jonah. He sneezed.
Bless you, Jonah. I want you to sleep.